Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a graduation program using Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser and sign into your account. When the page opens, look at the left side of the screen. You will see a vertical menu with several options. In this left menu, click on Templates. This section contains many ready-made designs that you can use as a starting point. Click inside the search bar and type Graduation Program. Canva will show many template options that are already designed for graduation ceremonies. Scroll through the templates and choose a design that fits the style of the school or event. When you find a template you like, click on it. Then click on Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. The template will load on the editing screen where you can start customizing it. Now begin editing the text. Click on any text box in the template to change the words. Replace the placeholder text with the real information for the ceremony. Next, adjust the fonts and colors to match the school theme. Select a text element and use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, size, and color. After that, you can add visual elements. Go to the Elements tab on the left side and search for graphics like graduation caps, diplomas, or decorative shapes. Drag the graphics onto your page and place them where they look balanced. You can also upload photos. Click on Uploads, add pictures from your computer, and place them inside the design. When your design is ready, click Share, then Download, and select PDF Print for the highest quality. Save the file and print your graduation program. Thanks for watching.